And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to migrate your passwords between apps. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to migrate passwords between it is generally done by exporting your data as a CSV file from the old app and importing it to the new one. Most password managers like Chrome, Bitwarden, LastPass, or 1Password support this, with mobile users typically needing to use the browser-based version for imports. So first of all, you need to simply export the source app. Then you need to prepare the file. Ensure the CSV file has the required header row, URL, username, and password, and import to the new app. So open the app manager, example Google Password Manager or 1Password, and go to the settings. Once you're in the settings, you can simply tap on import passwords. Select the file you previously exported and simply delete the exported.csv file immediately to maintain security. So this way you can migrate password between apps. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.